What's going on, everybody? Today's video is going to be another monthly update for you. This is for the sales on eBay in the month of July of 2020. In the month of July, I sold 8 items, and I'm going to tell you what each item was and how much I sold it for. The first item I sold is a Toyota cruise control sensor for $150 plus $10 shipping. A Nissan Rogue Xenon headlight for $115 plus $20 shipping. A Ford F-150 LED taillight for $425 plus $15 shipping. Audi Q5 airbox for $100 plus $15 shipping. Jeep Wrangler steering wheel airbag for $250 plus $10 shipping. Range Rover HSE front reinforcement for $225 plus $50 shipping. A Honda HR-V sun visor for $50 plus $50 shipping, and a Ford Super Duty towing mirror for $300 plus $25 shipping. Those 8 items ended up being $1,615 plus $150 paid by the customers for the shipping costs. That total is $1,615 plus $150 for the shipping paid by the customer. That equals $1,765. It was only $115 to ship, which gives me a total of $1,650. And then minus 13% in fees, which is $214. And I end up with $1,436 of profit after everything is said and done. For 8 items, that comes out to $179 per item on average. I like to stay around $100 on average if I can. Once again, none of this was anything more than usual, so it was only a couple hours worth of time to sell all these products. And as you can see, I still made money on the shipping. I always add for shipping, and I like to have a little bit higher than what I actually have to pay. So from the buyers, I got $150, and then it only cost me $115 to ship everything, so I still made a little bit money on that. But as you can see, it was another good month. I think it's a little bit less than the last 2 monthly updates that I've done for you guys, but still it's right around the same average. That's about it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys the monthly update for what I've been selling. So if you can find some of these parts around where you live and sell them, that you can sell them for what I'm selling them for. So once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time.